time. It's time, you guys. We're finally going to do some Christmas decorating in here. I know I'm not the only one doing some last minute decorating, okay? Even though I'm technically not going to be here for the holidays, I'm gonna be back home with my family, I still need it to feel like Christmas in here. So we're finally gonna get some decorating done today. First things first will be the Christmas tree, or should I say Christmas trees, because I have two. I don't know if you guys saw my video from last year, but I had these two, and I used to have this TV console here. My sofa used to be here. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot to take this to the bedroom. It's okay, I'll deal with that later. Anyways, I had the TV console here, the sofa was over here. It was a whole different layout. I love it like this so much more because I got this new tablet TV and it just makes sense now. I used to have a tree here and there, but now I'm thinking I'm just gonna have the two trees here and move my armchair into the office for the time being. Since it's a small space, I kind of have to be rearranging and stuff like that whenever it comes to Christmas because there's never a place to put the trees or the tree. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I think that's all I'm gonna be really doing today because I still need to pick up some other stuff to make this garland thing that I want to do over here. And I'm waiting on some cute velvet ribbons for the tree. So I'm just gonna do whatever I can today. As the days go on this week, we're going to be doing something like doing little things every day. That's my goal. That way I can really get into the spirit and not feel so exhausted after. I just wanna enjoy it, doing a little bit every single day and really just take my time and again, just enjoy it because I haven't even been home for so long. It's literally been longer than a month, I think, because I just got back from Europe and those vlog videos will be up soon. Still have to edit them. I had the most amazing trip with my amigas, two of my best friends. It was amazing, but it was literally 3 weeks in Europe, and even before that, I had some other travel that I did for like work, and I'm just exhausted and I'm so excited to just be at home for as long as I can. Until I have to travel again for work or something, like I just wanna chill here. I just wanna hang out here and enjoy my space. Pretty much brought everything from the storage unit. Just gonna pick at it and see what we can do. Oh, but before we get started, sorry I'm out of breath. I literally went to the gym for the first day today in like literally a month and I'm so out of breath today. Anyways, I picked up this record from Target the last time I visited. This one and the Billie Eilish one, like the newest album, because they were on sale, like literally like half off. So I always play Bing Crosby for the holidays anyways. So how perfect is it that I got the ultimate Christmas record and I'm gonna go ahead and play it so we can get into the holiday mood. Oh my gosh, look at how cool this record is. Wow, very Christmas. That is amazing. That is amazing. Okay, I just realized I need to keep it fairly low because or else I'm gonna get demonetized. Perfect, okay. Let's get to unboxing these trees. These aren't your typical Christmas trees, but I really like the look of them. It's like a whimsical look. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this, and then once I set them up, I'll fix them a bit. Okay, sweet. The trees are good to go. Now we're gonna set them up over here, decorate them, see what else we could do. I don't know if I should leave the lamp there. I feel like I can't. No, I can't. I can't. Where's it gonna go? Where is it gonna go? I just connected both trees and then just attached obviously all the other ones. I just have to adjust some of the lights and obviously the branches, but they're fully lit up, so that's great. Now it's time to clean it up a bit and finish the setup. Okay, let's see. Let's see if one single Christmas skirt is fine for both of them. If not, I have another one. Maybe it could be like layered. Okay, yeah, that's not big enough. Okay, I'm gonna get the other one. I think I could do a layering situation. And I got this from World Market. Was it last year? I don't even know. But it's still in the back, so I didn't even end up using it last year. Did you guys ever see that TikTok about a girl whose grandma got her what she thought was like a blouse, or no, not a blouse, maybe like a poncho? I think that's what she described it as. I can't remember. It was literally a Christmas skirt, and her grandma was cracking up. But I totally see it now. Every time I have a Christmas skirt, I totally see it. Like, can't this be like a top? Like, I loved that video. So funny. Anyways, I love the skirt. So yeah, this one I got from World Market last year. It's just like a plushy one. And please ignore my eczema. Oh my gosh, how embarrassing. Doesn't have to be perfect. The Christmas skirt should be like a little scrunched. Now this one over the other. Okay, battery died, so I don't know if you saw that last part, but this is the tree skirt situation. We have the black and white one right there, and then this one I like the most. Yes, it might look a little strange. I honestly don't think it looks that crazy. I wish I had 2 of these, but once there's gifts right there, it's going to look good. Do I have any gifts to add onto the tree yet? No, but I think I could wrap something tonight. We shall see. We shall see. Maybe some fake gifts. Just kidding. I never do fake gifts for under the Christmas tree for decor. I really don't have anybody's gifts yet other than my brother's. So maybe I'll just add his later tonight. It's also getting a little warm in here. It is still hot in Southern California. I'm in San Diego in case you didn't know that. Yeah, and I just came from the freezing cold, so I wanna be in the holiday mood, but it's really hard when you're in SoCal. You have like a summer type of Christmas, honestly. I also just realized that I only have 1 star tree topper, or tree topper in general. So no tree toppers this time, unless I use the ribbons to make them, you know, I think I'll do that. But once the ribbon arrives, I will figure it out. But for now, no tree topper. Will this go with the red ribbons that I want? Yes. Hopefully everything is good. I actually really love these ornaments. The color is so beautiful. So no problem with using these again. Is there a way that you guys like to do your ornaments? I feel like some people will go all out. I literally just randomly hang them. I think that's the typical way to do it, but some trees look so good. It seems like there's a lot of planning that goes into it or something, cause man. We're just gonna try our best here. It's looking cute so far, you guys. As long as you stay like at this distance, it looks great. If you get closer, you'll start seeing like all the wires and stuff, but it's okay. We're not going for perfect here. It can't be perfect, or else it's not us. It's not authentic. It's who has a perfect Christmas tree? I think that's weird right there. This is way too long. No, no, no. We're here. Yeah, so now I feel like the front looks pretty good. I think I'll add like 1 up here, 1 up there, and then I'm just gonna spread out the remainder onto the backside. Okay, I'm genuinely concerned as to why it's just setting up these trees took a lot of me. I am tired. Anyways, the trees are set up. They look so cute. I'm just gonna put this little stool over here. Same as all the other years, I swear. I don't really change much. If I'm in the same space, I don't change much because there's like a way to decorate that works and can't really change much, especially if it's a small space. Like, I can't really do much. It looks good. It looks good. And I love how when you walk in, the first thing you'll see are the trees. I love that. Next, we are moving this pillow and this blanket, I think. We'll see right now. Don't mind the mess. I have my merry and bright pillow. This is the only time I'll have decor that has words on it, when it's for Christmas. And it's like the tiniest little pillow. Does that even make sense? I don't even know. It's like so tiny. It's okay. It works. This blanket, however, we're gonna move this one. I think I have another one. Okay, yes, this one is much better to use. It even matches the skirt, and we'll just make it a little throw blanket. Okay, looking cute, looking cute. What else? See, this is the only tree topper that I had, so I'm gonna leave that. I have a bunch of garland, but I think I'm gonna buy real garland from Trader Joe's because I love that one. Just smells so fresh. But I have these, and then these candle holders. that I use literally every single year, so let's use these again. I also brought out my cute Christmas mugs. I love these little guys. I'm gonna be making holiday drinks or just literally regular coffee, but once it's in these mugs, then obviously it makes them super Christmassy. And I'm just gonna add these over here. Don't mind my plant that was struggling while I was gone. I'm a horrible plant mom some days. Yeah, we got a lot going on here, but honestly, I don't care. I don't mind it. That's okay, right? I mean, it doesn't have to be crazy. Simple, little trees. If I want to change it, I'll change it. So I think that is gonna be it for today, you guys, because I have to meet with Monica. It's about to be 1:30 and I need to get some stuff done. But I'm happy that the trees are up because that's like the #1 thing, right? So just stay tuned for the next video, because then I should be finishing it up. Next video, I'll have some garland up, I'll have some ribbons, it'll be a whole other thing. But don't forget to like and subscribe because I have some more videos coming. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I'm always posting so much over there. And yeah, thank you again and I will see you next time.